My name is Dr. Atul Limai. I am an interventional cardiologist at Fortis Hospital in Mulund. I am here to speak about heart failure. So heart failure in general is weakness of the heart to do its job. In other words, the heart is a pump which is responsible to pump blood to all our body systems, to all our organs. Any impairment in its ability to do the pumping function is defined as heart failure. By and large, there are several causes of heart failure. The predominant one is what we call ischemic heart disease, which is the blockages in your coronary arteries that damage or do not allow blood to adequately reach the heart muscle and therefore cause damage to the heart muscle and lead to heart failure. Other important causes are lifestyle related diseases such as diabetes mellitus and some very rare familial causes of heart failure that are in families which are extremely rare. The treatments for heart failure are, as you can imagine, dictated by the causes of heart failure. So for instance, if you have blockages in the coronary arteries, one way to improve the heart function is by angioplasty or putting in a stent to open the blockages, or by open heart surgery, CABG, by which we are able to restore the ability of the coronary arteries to deliver blood to the heart muscle and hope for improvement in the cardiac function. If the heart failure is related to lifestyle diseases such as morbid obesity, diabetes, then the treatment is directed towards those lifestyle diseases. And today there are many drugs which are available to effectively treat heart failure. Feet swelling, swelling of other parts of their body, these are all symptoms that may direct a patient towards the possibility of heart failure. And I think it is important that patients recognize these symptoms, seek treatment early, because the earlier treatment is offered, the better the chances of reversing heart failure. So we have seen, for instance, many instances where patients come and are identified with a very poor heart function of 15 to 20%. Either it is because of uncontrolled hypertension, uncontrolled diabetes, or blockages in their coronary arteries. And when appropriate treatments are given to them, it is almost as if a miracle has happened and their heart pumping can improve from a 15 to 20% to a normal heart function which is 55 to 60%.